Hi, my name is Beth Tuminello from Mrs. T Chem Talk Teacher Tech, and I want to share with you a quick video about making a backdrop for your videos and for mobile teaching. And what I'm going to do is just show you mine so you can see what I made here. So I have my backdrop as a periodic table shower curtain, and this way I can have this behind me, and anytime I'm doing mobile teaching, it doesn't matter what is exactly behind me because this will cover any of the mess in my house. I can also raise this or lower this by putting it on top of something. It's really just on a clothing rack so that I can make sure that behind me always looks professional. Please like and subscribe so that you can see when I post new videos. I am posting teacher tech videos every couple of days or every day or so.
Here is a super easy way to make a backdrop for videos or for remote teaching using a shower curtain and a clothing rack. So I used a periodic table shower curtain because I'm a chemistry teacher, but you can basically use any shower curtain hooks, and a clothing rack. When I opened up my shower curtain, it looked like this. Again, I'm a chemistry teacher, so I used a periodic table shower curtain to put on my backdrop. And once I put together my clothing rack and hung it up, this periodic table shower curtain will go behind me for my videos and my remote lessons.
So again, this is Beth Tuminello from Mrs. T Chem Talk Teacher Tech, and this video was about how you should make or how you can make a background or backdrop for videos or for remote teaching so that you don't have to worry about what's behind you when you go live or make a video. Please like and subscribe. Thanks a lot.